Okay, knocking it out. He's putting his single pole switches in, and then you put your outlet in. They have a GFI.
Oh, so look, right here. You see that hole?
Yeah, clean it out. Clean it out. It's just sheetrock. Clean it out so you can get your screw in. That's all. Yeah. Yeah. Well, even if you knock that out right there, just knock it out. He's putting his hallway outlet in. We have another one. For this room done, it's about to be done. Just needs one light in here. Tyreek got his smoke detector up. You get your color to color, right?
Yeah.
Yep. All you gotta do is your light. Doing this. Looking good, brother. Make sure your plates are straight. We don't want to touch the walls. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get by you real quick. Sorry about that. Let me know when y'all ready on the lights so we can hurry knock the lights out, get downstairs. Hey Alonzo, what you need?
Hey.
The plate? A double pole switch, yeah. Yeah. Huh?
She's putting in 2 bulbs to 1 bulb.
Put your 2.
2 bulbs on the light.
Yeah. That looks good, brother. Why are you turning it that way?
Because it's not aligned all the way on this side.
Huh?
It's not aligned with the holes on this side.
Yeah, you was turning it to the left. Why are you just doing that?
What you mean?
Why are you turning it left? You're loosening it.
Yeah, I know, because it's not lined. It's not
Oh,
lined
I
up with
hear
the
you.
holes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead and put it in. Let me see. You get it everything like you did before, right? That's not too bad. That's tight on that side. That.
What, this side?
The screws to the wire.
Yeah.
Real tight. Okay. Perfect. Now let me show you something. Make sure this. Look at this. Make sure this ground is nowhere by these. So you always want to push that back. Because you remember this is going to be hot.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that ground gets pushed all the way to the back. Just tighten that up. How you look, Darius?
I'm trying to get this cover on it, but I want to make sure these devices straight.
Okay, looking good.
And then I'm going to go in the bathroom.
Oh, you going to do the bathroom? All right, I'm going to have these guys start on this smokes and lights. Y'all looking good, man. Let's knock it out. Then we got to make sure you guys, we can do this outside lights. So this is what we doing. You guys see right now. What we got minutes? 3 minutes. So let me turn this around.